The place they really want much clean up. You know, saying a dead meat gal, he just want to see me a stress out. That's our problem. Not much now they have to do. When you go take fish, you just come in and start sell. And run. Whoa! Look here. Oh. Winter candy apple. What is that for? Oh, soap. Use up everything. Expensive toothpaste, 2 cents a dime. I use something, use it as mouthwash. Everything I have. I got that so I pay not through the rich. Yeah. Can't say I never used cents a dime before. Not much no in here stuff you do. Go in here and look nice like one of them TV hotel. That TV under bed me not touch. Bed nice, you know. Oh God. That big wow. So they live lavish in this place and them have a fluffy rug like a poodle. Wow, what kind of light this is how it turn on? All this look like a one little baby chest that jaw. Never seen them sitting here yet in my life. They're just nice, no like no spring no in there. All perfume they have. God, everything nice. Yeah. Tell me a life, your life. That's why my man no want to lift up here, you know. Oh, God. Oh, God. Up here they use dear things. Expensive, everything. God. I me should have been rich, you know. It's only a pity. So this is just one little moment. Can't even fit in on this video.
Why? Will far me I walk from you, man. Go son hot. Yo. I'm hungry. Belly hot me, head hot me. Wait, Father God. What to my life can't stable. Oh man. This a feeling too unbearable right now for me. Go back down on my yard and sit down on my yard and just. No, sir. Yo, it's too unbearable, man, yo. Yo, I get food or I get caught trying right now. I'm not even business right now. I get food or I get caught trying. know. So you want to live in a bed one day. Yeah, what's your too? How would this? Baby? If you make me get a turn, that make you boy have me in a bed from morning till what catch me, sir? Hurry. Come like the refrigerator and knock me like the post. But wait. It's like I know so me I competitive blouse and skirt. One, two, three, 4. 1, 2, 3. More than enough.
Who is that, my boy, Skinny?
Yeah, Pops, it ain't easy, yeah? Boss.
Boy,
Yo.
what's up?
It ain't easy, yeah, man. Yeah.
Today I got a surprise you.
Yeah, Pops.
Yeah?
It ain't easy, but you, yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah, but you,
Second son.
still got the style, man. Choo.
True.
Yeah?
Yeah?
But you.
But we're glad to see you, man.
You could have told me say how far, Pops, man.
I rolling dice, my name.
Eh? You're rolling wise.
Yeah?
True. You me learn from for you, you know.
So all things.
There, man, Pops, man, you know.